Stock screen. Product children, matrix products. So in this video, I'm going to talk about child products or matrix products, very commonly used in the clothing industry or products that have multiple variations. So for example, if you go to stock functions, stock manager, so what we need to do is we're going to create a product that will have multiple variations, very useful again for website integration purposes as well. So we're going to, at the moment we've got these products here, I'm going to create a new product. I'm going to call this striped shirt. Okay, and the selling price doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm just going to say £10. Oops, £10. Like that. Again, no barcode because this is the parent product. This is the header. The child products will each have their own barcodes, their own quantities, minimums, maximums, selling prices, etc. So I'm just going to press accept just to keep this simple. So there's a striped shirt. So our next job is to decide what fields makes this different. So if we click on child products, you can see these are all the child products at the moment. On the right hand side is all the fields that makes it unique. And if we press add, we can see all the standard fields plus extended fields. So let's have a little look at that actually first. If we go here in setup tools and press edit custom fields, you can see we've already got a field called color. So I could actually add a new field and say text, for example, and say size. Okay, you can close that now. So on the right hand side for this product striped shirt, we're going to press add. I'm going to choose what makes it different. So it could be the weight of the product, it could be the height, the width, the depth. But in this case, we're going to say color and size. Usually it'll only be one, but in this case there's two fields. So for example, if it was a pair of shoes, it could be color and shoe size. If it was just a simple item on the shelf, it could be 250 grams, 500 grams, a kilogram, that kind of thing. So we're going to press new child, and that creates us a new product. How many's in stock? 0. So I'm going to say there's 3 of them. Barcode. Let's say 9876. Color. So we're going to put a color in. We'll say red. Size. We'll say small. New child. This one's also going to be red, but it's going to be large. Next one is blue. And this one is small. Might as well do a fourth one. This one is blue. And this one is also large. So 876. Let's put some made up barcodes in here. There we go. And again, we can put quantities in, we can put minimums, we can put maximums, that kind of thing. Okay, so there they all are. If we go back to the stock screen, if I press search again, you will now see that there's a striped shirt, which is the header, and then all the individual items. Now, the name was given by the software automatically. It takes the parent name, then puts all of the field names, and then the size after. So color, blue, size, large. That, for most people, is absolutely fine. But if it turns out that you would rather give your own name to the products and don't want the receipt showing that, press edit product like this. So this is the child product. And under additional fields, there is a option. There is do not auto update child name. So if you turn that off, you can put your own name in and it will not change what the name says. So if the name changes here, so striped shirt, if we change that to say striped polo shirt and then press search again, you can see the computer's automatically changed all the child names to the parent's name plus all the fields automatically. Doesn't matter if you do it in edit product, wherever, it will change all children's names. So if we change that, as you can see, it puts them all back as they were. So it takes this parent name and then appends all the field values afterwards as well. All right. When you're doing a search, there's a setting to say always hide the child products, which is here. So you can go into software settings, and under stock, there's an option to always leave that on, but generally you'd probably need it to show all of them. Okay, so some people prefer them not to see all the children, to just go into there and then go into child products and edit all the fields here instead. It's up to you. If we go over to sales mode and click find item, if I put in, say, striped shirt, you will notice that there is a little plus next to it. That is because you can open it up and then see all the products there. However, you can exclude the child products if you want to, but again, most of the time you'd want to see them. So that is how you would select multiple ones like that. You could select 3 of them and they all go in the cart and sell just like a normal product. So child products are quite useful, especially for grouping mini items in, and especially for website integration, so that when you upload it to a website, it puts the child products and the parent product into the website in its correct form. Any field you change on the parent inherits to the children, except for, in this case, colour and size. So whatever fields rotate here by the fields on the right, they will be different, but everything else will inherit. So for example, if I put in, say, length 5, every single one of these products will all have a length of 5. If I put notes like that, they've all got the same value. So whatever's in the head, the parent, so will be the children as well.